Hello and welcome to a new episode on New Learn channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can use an OLED display with Arduino Uno. This OLED display uses the I2C interface for data transfer. So let's start with the connections. First, you should connect a wire from the 5V pin of Arduino Uno all the way to the VCC pin of the OLED display. Next, you will have to connect a wire from the ground pin of Arduino Uno all the way to the ground pin of the OLED display. After that, you will have to connect a wire from the analog pin 4 of Arduino Uno all the way to the SDA pin of the OLED display. This is the serial data pin. And the last wire will have to be connected from the analog pin 5 of Arduino Uno all the way to the SCL pin of your OLED display. This is the serial clock pin. After you've made all these connections to Arduino Uno, you will have to open your Arduino integrated development environment and add the program that I will post down below this video, and you should have a working display that will show a text, a simple text. This is a very short video about how you can test and use your OLED display to make sure that it functions properly and that the program that you are running is alright. Of course, you will have to add the required library as you will see in the program posted down below this video for your OLED display to work as you would like it to work. If you have any other questions, please post them on the comments down below. Like I've said, this video is for beginners who would like to just test their OLED display to make sure that it works, and then of course they can do more advanced stuff and display all sorts of graphics or texts on this display. Thank you.